All right, guys, so here's a quick look. I got walking onions, tomatoes, and I'll kind of do this. You can see right there where I filled the corner. I'm going to move that over to here, but I have to take that all the way down the fence line, all the way. As you can see, the gate is over there, way past that orange bucket. And then I have to walk it all the way over by the goats and all the way down this path and back over here. So I will be back when it's like ready for me to plant. All right, guys, so I know you don't think that's enough room, but we're doing experiments this year. I got 4, and they are the lemon boy. So we'll see how this goes.